Hello and welcome back to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are making a crispy spicy favorite chicken samosa. Crunchy outside, juicy chicken filling inside. This is the ultimate snack for any day. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing the dough. In a bowl, add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon black seed, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon oil. Use black seed for an authentic flavor boost. Mix everything well. Samosas are originally brought to South Asia from the Middle East centuries ago. Now add about 1/3 cup of water gradually. In some regions, samosas are a popular breakfast item with tea and knead it into a soft dough. The traditional filling used to be minced meat, now we enjoy chicken, veggie and even chocolate. Rub a little oil on the dough. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now for the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1/4 cup chopped onion and 1 green chili. Cook for 2 minutes until softened. Then add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, one cup boiled and shredded chicken. Now season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper powder, one tablespoon mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Stir everything together and cook for 1 more minute. Adding mayonnaise to the chicken mix gives it a creamy twist. Now set this delicious chicken filling aside. Now back to our dough. Take a portion of the dough and roll it out. Using a steel glass, cut into round shapes. Wet the edges with a little water. Add a spoonful of the chicken filling in the center. Then fold and seal the samosa carefully in your favorite shape. Seal the edges tightly with water to avoid breaking in the oil. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry the samosas on medium-low heat for about 7 to 8 minutes until they turn crispy and golden brown. Make sure the oil is not too hot. Slow frying gives the perfect crispy texture. Chicken is a great source of lean protein. Black seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. Homemade snacks allow you to control oil and salt levels. Pair with fresh salad or yogurt dip for a balanced snack. What's your favorite samosa filling, chicken, veggie or beef? Have you ever tried making samosas at home? Would you like to see a baked version next time? Tag someone who would love to try these crispy chicken samosas. That's all for today. Crispy, spicy and totally satisfying chicken samosas made right at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delicious homemade snacks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.